When installing the glass window, it is necessary to use aluminum profiles to fix the glass window to the wall. Aluminum profiles can be cut according to actual use. Suzhou Pharma is a purification engineering solution provider with many years of industry experience. Since its inception, we have been committed to providing our customers with efficient, reliable and environmentally friendly clean room design, installation and maintenance services. Our team consists of a group of engineers with deep expertise and technical background. They have decades of experience in clean room engineering and have successfully completed more than 500 major projects. Welcome to contact us and look forward to working with you.